In a land far away, there's an enchanted garden where flowers sing and insects talk. Welcome to the magical world of the Enchanted Garden. Meet Blossom, a curious bee with a heart full of wonder. She embarks on a journey through the Enchanted Garden, eager to discover its secrets. Blossom comes across a wise old tree named Oakley. With a knowing smile, Oakley shares tales of the garden's magical history. Oakley reveals that there's a lost song, a melody so enchanting that it can bring harmony to the entire garden. Blossom decides to find it. Blossom's journey is filled with musical adventures. She meets singing flowers, rhythm-playing insects, and together they create a symphony of joy. After overcoming challenges and discovering the true meaning of teamwork, Blossom finds the lost song. As it echoes through the garden, harmony is restored. The Enchanted Garden comes alive with a colorful celebration. Flowers dance, insects sing, and the joyous melody fills the air. In the Enchanted Garden, we learn that by working together and embracing our unique talents, we can create a world filled with magic, harmony, and everlasting friendship.